Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fiola. Now I'm in 5th semester majoring in information system. And also I'm working as a web designer in Linear Business Suite. As a web designer, every day I do my task list, and usually as a web designer, my job was both creative and technically inclined, and use both the attributes to build or design the website. The web design has the ability to understand what is needed to make a website functional and easy to use for the user. But at the same time, it makes the web more aesthetically and appealing to the user for use the website. And web design is relatively new in this industry, having been created with the advent of the internet and gaining popularity in particular over the last 10 years, as a digital media has become a major part of many people's life. Like many people rely on media online, such as for communication, information, shopping, social life, and more. The demand for the web designer, I think, more growing higher than the past 10 years, because the industry is currently considered a good one with relation job prospect and future growth in technology information. There are several success stories about people who choose the field in technology information, and I think that makes sense because IT is about the creative career choice for up and coming professionals. Here are few reasons why MI choose system information or success in business life. The first reason is because it's low cost of education. Why it low cost of education? Because the biggest advantage of choosing the information system for a career is that it has a very low cost of education as compared to many other career choice. You don't need a 4-year degree to become an IT professional. Instead that, you can get a quick training to be certified in specific areas of information system, and this way you can save a huge amount of time and money that you may otherwise spend on years of college tuition. The more knowledge and certificate you acquire, and the more you advance in your career. The second is fastest changing industry. The information system industry operates at a speed much faster than any other industry. For this reason, there is always significant demand for highly skilled workers. With this innovation in cloud computing, big data, and cybersecurity, as an aspiring IT professional has many avenues to pursue and grow from. And IT professionals never stop learning and must always stay on top of the latest technological trends in order to be successful in this field. The more training and knowledge in the IT professional has, the more employable or the IT technologies it will be. The third is technology get a better income, because many people say that it is a well-known fact that the information system professionals are paid well compared to the other professional sector. As an IT professional, maybe with the right mix and certification and experience, can find a permanent job or position in either the public or private sector. Recently, many companies have been extensively hiring experts in cloud computing, cybersecurity, and network security to help enhance their current system. Many IT jobs provide great career advancement opportunities for a dedicated and hardworking IT professional. Maybe after the time graduating from college, there are a lot of jobs that actually give a big opportunities that for fresh graduate from an information system degree, but these are some jobs that maybe I would like to do after the completion of my study. The first is business analyst. A business analyst is someone who analyzes an organization or business domain, or real, hypothetical, and documents its business or processes or systems, assessing the business models or its integration with technologies. The second is data analyst. Management analysts, often called management consultants, propose ways to improve the efficiency of an organization. They advise managers on how to make organization more profitable through reduced costs and increased revenues. The third is software engineering. Software engineering or developers are the creative minds behind the computer programs. Some develop the application that allow people to do specific tasks on computer or another device. Others develop the underlying system that run the device or that control the networks. And last but not least, I think there is 5 things that you can know before get into system information major. The first is don't be afraid to specialize, and second is social skills is matter, and the third, get real world experience to get more better, more histories that you can get knowledge from, and take schoolwork seriously because it's really matter for you to get more professionals in the future. And the last is stay informed and on industry developments because the IT get expand really fast, that you must catch really fast too. I think there are a few things that every information students that needs to know as they prepare to take on the career field, and it's never too early to start preparing for a career even during the first year or two of college. I think the system information is rapidly enveloping field that is constantly changing and expanding into new areas of application. This means that the student and the professional need to adopt to a flexible attitude towards their craft so they can meet the demand on enveloping industry. These are, I think, just a few tips from me that you can keep in mind as they ready for entry the work phase. So I think the information system is the field of for millennials as such as an aspiring IT professional, for the fresh graduate to know that in order to success in IT field, they must be committed to learning and adapting to new technological advancement in order to stay competitive. This entails getting the right mix of experience and certification can get you be a professional that stays on top of the latest tech trends, will have many careers options to choose from. If you are interested in career in information system, maybe you can find out more information on Google, like what you need to know before jump in information system, and what you can do after you graduated. I think that's information from me. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.